Dignity law, everyone pays for their ride. If you have been here for 5 years and you do not have a criminal record, you will be able to go on the dignity status for 7 years. You will not be deported. You will not lose your assets. You can work anywhere in the country. You will pay taxes. And if you are on payroll, a new levy of 1.5 withholding called the dignity levy will be held from your paycheck. Anyway, you're paying right now 7% if you're on payroll, and you will never see that money again. So right now it's only 1.5. You can go home for Christmas or can go home to visit your family. You will not have access to any government program and will have to buy your own health insurance. You will pay $700 a year for 7 years, and that adds up to around $5,000. Dignity will bring you out of the shadow to live a very dignified life in this country, the promised land.
So people have been asking me whether the Dignity Act or Dignity Bill of 2023 will pass. I'll tell you what, this bill is not new. Maria Salazar in 2022 introduced the Dignity Bill, and it also had very wonderful promises. It was the bill contained, they will provide a pathway to lawful permanent resident status to eligible individuals who did not have immigration status, and who entered the U.S. as minors, commonly referred to as dreamers. It established that bill, Dignity Act of 2022 last year. It established a dignity program, which deferred the removal of eligible individuals who did not have immigration status and who met various requirements, including paying money into a fund to provide training to U.S. workers. It additionally established the redemption program, which provided a pathway to green card status or permanent resident status to individuals who completed the dignity program and met various requirements, including making additional payments into a U.S. worker fund. Okay, so this bill was known last year as the HR 6637, and the bill had 6 co-sponsors, and 6 of these sponsors were all Republicans. The bill was again spearheaded by Maria Salazar, the same person who's sponsoring the Dignity Bill of 2023. Now I'll walk you through what has happened to the bill. On February 8, 2022, the bill was introduced into the House of Representatives. On February 9, 2022, the next day, the House of Representatives referred the bill to various subcommittees, including the Subcommittee on Border Security Facilitation and Operations. On March 4, 2022, the House referred the bill to more subcommittees, such as the Subcommittee for Indigenous People of the United States. And then moving on, November 1st, 2022 is where the bill stalled. It was referred to the Subcommittee on Immigration and Citizenship, and that was the last we ever heard of the bill. We never heard of this bill again. So I will tell you that please exercise caution when you are jubilating, because Article 1, Section 1 of the U.S. Constitution states that legislative powers belong to Congress. It means Congress makes laws. Congress is made up of Senate and House of Representatives. And so the bill has to pass first in the House of Representatives. They have to have a majority vote of 218 out of 435 House of Representatives voting. And then once it's, they have the majority vote, it moves to Senate, where they have to vote, and the bill has to pass by 51 votes out of 100 senators. So 51 senators have to vote yes to the bill. And then once that's done, the president can sign it into a law. Okay, so we still have a number of hoops until this bill, which is merely an idea that has been proposed, can become a law. Okay, so I hope this helps. All the best, and follow me for more.